It's amazing. It's an awesome experience being here. It's such an amazing event, and I'm just happy to be a part of it. The best in the world are here, and it was great that I could be a part of it, and I hope to be back here next season.
Will be taking the Royal Cup back home to Jetski.
The most difficult race in the world and the most beautiful race in the world. It's the best event in the world.
Number 90, Kevin Ritter from Austria. Right there, the leader. Number 42, Raphael and he's taking home $45,000.
It's a nice race, the course is nice, it's big. I like the ocean with the waves, and the whole crowd is amazing, so I love to be here. I'm back for sure, you'll see me next year.
Worldcup roundabout 1,100 โอเพ่นครับมาครับตรงนี้ซึ่งเดนมาร์กครับ with a check for $20,000
来年2年連続で取るように2年3年とチャンピオン取りに行きますね。
Lisa High from Japan. Big roll call once again for the champion for 2019. Big roll call once again for the champion for 2019.
ก็ฝากติดตามชมเจตสกีนะครับผมก็คนไทยก็ได้แชมป์โลกกันเยอะครับอยากให้เชียร์กันเยอะครับ
For the 2018 champion of the world endurance open category. แชมป์โลกครับนะครับ
It's unlike any other tournament in the world. It's an amazing spectacle for freestyle riders and all racers. The tribute to our country's flags and our nations is the best I've ever seen in our sport. It's a privilege to be able to come here and ride in front of everyone. The competition this year was the highest level that it's been. The Japanese were absolutely on fire, and it took everything I had in my heart to pull out there and go against some of the toughest odds that I had. So I'm very, 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 very happy about this achievement.